guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to install the Pinlock on this Shark Spartan Carbon helmet. It's a helmet that I have for review, and since I'm going to review it properly with the correct Pinlock. But before we start, let me just show you some things that came with the helmet inside of this bag, which is basically the sticker saying that it's compatible with the Shark Tooth, which is the Shark Bluetooth system. Also, we have the serial number of the helmet. It comes in a really nice kind of type plastic card. What else? We have a CD, a manual, okay, user manual. We have some reflective sheeting if you want to put it in your helmet. I don't think I'm going to put. And you have the air vents and in 1, 2, 3, 5 language detailed in the back. Basically, this is what comes inside with the helmet. Like I said, we're gonna install this Pinlock that came with the helmet on this visor so I can properly test it.
Hey, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24/7 days. Favorite color, money green. Paper. I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17. Always a provider for my pack like Wolverines. But you won't find me on the mountaintop. Need no calculator, I could wear it cause it kinda lie. Always on my top around that paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend the Dwight, he want my spot, he always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the gym.
And that's it, guys. Here we are. We have the helmet with the Pinlock installed. As you saw, it's a very easy process. So I really hope that you like it. And I'm ready to roll with this helmet. I'm gonna wear it for a few weeks, then give it a proper review. And as usual, please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bells down below if you want to see all my videos and future videos. And I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!